Let's take a quick look at the different types of transformations. So first we'll start with the line reflection. So what we're going to do is we're going to reflect this triangle over this line. So you're going to end up with an image of the triangle on this side. To reflect it, we take a look at how far this is from the line. It's this distance. So we go this distance on the other side. Also, this point is this distance away, so the new point is going to be the same distance on the other side. So in other words, this point is going to end up right here, and this point is going to end up right here. We can see that this point here is this far away, so we're going to make it that far away on this side. So that point will end up about right here, and we can draw a triangle. So it'll look like this when it's reflected. For a point reflection, what we're going to do is we're going to reflect one point over another point. So again, we'll look at what the distance is from this point to this point. There we have it. And then we continue, make another equal distance on this side of that point. So the new image of this point will end up right here. We'll call this P prime. So going back to this line reflection, if this was triangle A, B, C, the image here would be A prime. This point would end up here, so this would be C prime, and this point B would end up over here, so that would be B prime. A translation is another type of transformation. So here we have triangle ABC, and to translate it just means to slide it to another position. So for example, we might slide point C from here to here and then upward. So we have a slide to the left and then a slide upward. So now we have point C in this location. Okay, now whatever distance we slide C, we're going to slide the other points as well. So B is going to be slid the same distance here and then up the same distance. So B ends up right here. Of course, this is the image that's C prime and B prime. So again, we shifted it to the right and then up. So now I'll do the same for point A. A is going to be shifted to the right and then shifted up the same distance. Something like that. So now A is going to be here, A prime, and we can create our new triangle, the image of triangle ABC. So translation is just a slide of the image. It could be right and up, right and down, left and down, left and up, maybe just up or just down. But the point is, it remains the same, it's just slid to another location. A rotation is another transformation. So here we have triangle ABC, and we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. So A is going to come down here, C would remain there, B would end up like this. So we'll have, this became A prime, this will be B prime, and here we'll have C prime. And we could rotate it again another 90 degrees, and it'll look something like this. where A goes all the way to here. So this would be A double prime. B goes to here. So this would be B double prime. And C just makes this little trip to right here, C double prime. So we could just rotate this around, and this is another type of transformation. As you know, in rotating something, the orientation changes. So here A is on top, then in this 90-degree rotation B is on top. Then one more, we have B and C at the same height on top and A at the bottom. The last type of transformation we'll cover is a dilation. A dilation is just a change in size. So if you think of your pupils dilate depending on how much light there is. They either get bigger or smaller. That's exactly what a dilation is in geometry. It's taking a shape and making it larger or smaller. So here we have triangle ABC. We could dilate this maybe by a factor of 2. So we'll just make it twice as big. This point here corresponds with A. This will be A prime. This point will be B prime. And this point on the triangle will be C prime. So dilating is just making something larger or smaller. A dilation is a transformation in which a specified scale factor is given.